Alright guys, this is Ray here with Jeeps Unlimited. I am going to be showing you a 02 to 06 Jeep Wrangler TJ tub. This guy's absolutely rust free and in really good shape actually. There's a couple minor flaws which we'll go over and I'll show you. But here's where the rear roll bar mounts. No rust. Absolutely solid and smooth. And here's the rear passenger corner. It's in really good shape, no damage there. Really solid, beautiful. This guy, I tried not to run out of time, so it's drying off still a little bit. So that's why you kind of see the little wet and dry spots on here. But we did power wash all the mud and dirt off of it. Yeah, I'm just running out of sunlight, so I'm just trying to squeeze in this video before we do. So that's why you'll see the paint look a little wet like that. But yeah, here's a passenger rear roll bar here. That's where that mounts, no rust. Really solid. Here's the floor. That's where the seat would mount. And then there's the floor pan. It's a little dirty. Still got some water and stuff in there. But overall, in really good shape. And there's the firewall. Really nice. 02 to 06. They are the style that don't have the hole cut out in the firewall. 97 to 01 is that style. And if that's the style you need, we have those tubs too. So just shoot us a message or give us a call. Or look on our website and see what we have available. And here's the passenger front. Really good shape. There is a little ding here, as you can see. That is where the fender support bracket mounts. And that guy, maybe I'll show you from the inside a little bit. It just has a little bit of a push there, but that's a very easy bang on it, pop it out, and call it good type deal. And if you're looking for a tub for a good price, and that is rust free, and maybe has a couple cosmetic things like that to do, and you're pretty good with stuff like that, this would be the tub for you. I know a lot of people are looking for things that are just rust free and maybe need a little TLC on other things, and this is one of those bodies for you. I'll show you this driver rear corner. Has a typical dings here in the corner. As you can see there, that guy is kind of a little I wouldn't say crease is the wrong word for that, but it has a ding there, and a couple of little dings here you can see, but luckily there's no support on the back end of these corners, so they're really easy to work on. And again, if you're one of those guys that are looking for a good deal on something that's rust free and needs a little TLC and other things, this is it. There's where the wheel wells will be. Really good, solid. I'll show you that on the underside when we lift it up. And yeah, here's the driver's side front cowling area in really good shape. This firewall has no damage here. It's really nice. And we'll show you the floor. This is the rear. That's where the roll bar is. Really nice and rust free. And there's the floor. Just got some mud and stuff in here. But yeah, really clean, rust free, solid. And I'll lift this guy up so you guys can see the underside. All right, so here's the underside of this Jeep. There's the first body mount. Very clean, rust-free, smooth, ready to get mounted on, really. There's the middle body mount, driver's side. And then there's the third rear body mount. This one has a little bit of mud still in there. I didn't get it cleaned out all the way. But yeah, it's in really good shape. No rust. And yeah, there's the wheel well. And back to this corner again, you can kind of see the back end of that. Does it have, like you can see it. It's really easy to work around with on those, and if you are a guy that knows a little bit of body work, that will help a long ways. And there's the wheel well on the passenger side. And here's the body mount here underneath. Very clean, no rust at all. Not even like a start of rust. This was an Arizona Jeep, so very clean. And there's the front body mount. And yeah, this is the tub. It's really nice. And if you're looking for something at a good deal, just because of the little cosmetic things that it needs, a little TLC in the back corner and all those dings and stuff, this would be the tub for you. And just give me a call. My name is Ray. You'll be the one. I'll be the one you're talking to when you call. If you have any questions, I didn't get to show you guys this one, but that's that body mount there. Really nice. And that one there as well, really nice. And then there's the ones right in front of the gas tank. Those guys that like to hide. People tend to miss those all the time and end up creasing their tubs when they pull them off or stuff like that. Definitely had guys do that in the past a few years ago, but we're better than that now, and we got some really good stuff going for you guys. Well, give me a call, 303-666-9020. You can find this tub or many others like it on our website, jeepsunlimited.net. And yeah, well, you guys have a good day, and look at this tub, and we'll be posting more videos. We've got many more tubs that we're posting right now. Thanks.